are we going?
We are going on a helicopter tour to Grand Canyon, and we'll see the sunset, and we'll have a light lunch, and then we'll come back to see the strip at nighttime. Yay!
Yeah, the limo is picking us up from the hotel, and they're going to take us to the airport, where we're going to hop onto the helicopter, fly over to the Grand Canyon.
Yeah.
And that must be the limo there. Hello! Is it Dale?
Dale, yeah.
Oh, perfect.
Hi, how you doing?
Good, how about you?
Oh, nice to meet you. Well, once you get over Papillon, just check in at the counter.
Okay.
5 other people in here.
Perfect.
Okay? In the back seats.
Okay, cool.
Welcome aboard. Some of these people are probably who you're going to be going on the helicopter with.
Nice.
Try to keep the helicopter flights together.
Perfect.
Am I too warm?
They've made it. Let's give them a round of applause. See, I got a welcoming party for you
That's
too.
right, thank you.
All right.
They pulled you off the poker table just in time.
Oh yeah, just yanked us out. We are on. So we're on the way now. So it looks like a lot of people.
Ready to go.
Alright, Tim, since you're standing there, go ahead and stand on the scale next to you.
Okay.
Alright, and I do see that you guys requested the front seat. It is based on weight and balance, so it'll be determined after everybody checks in. If we're able to get you guys on, we'll tie you back up, and that's when you stay, okay?
Sounds good.
These are floating devices. You have to wear them because you're flying over water. Just hold on to it, and we'll show you how to get it on.
Okay. Pretty busy in here. A lot of people going on a helicopter or private jet or whatever tour that they're doing, I guess.
Welcome to Grand Canyon Helicopters. Please pay close attention as we acquaint you with the safety and flight procedures of the EC-130 aircraft. At the rear of the helicopter is a spinning tail rotor. To fasten the seatbelt, insert the metal tabs into the
Sorry, I had to switch helicopters. The one that we were in was broken, so why not? And it was a broken windscreen, it's fine. So the one we're in now is good. So, guys, my name is Sam. Having a good time in Vegas?
Oh yeah. Yes.
Has anybody been drinking all day?
No.
No? Well, it's a good thing. So you guys ready?
Oh yeah. Oh yeah.
Follow me out this way, please.
Thank you.
Pictures out on the ground, but once you get in the helicopter, take as many pictures as you can.
Okay. Oh.
Thank you.
On it. Yeah.
We're in the farm.
All right.
And get out of
Cross
my
your fingers, it starts. And sorry for my bad taste in jokes.
Love it.
It starts, it's a good sign.
made it! Wow, what amazing ride. Holy
Yes.
cow, and now we got an amazing view. Look at this. Look at this. Wow. There's about 4 other helicopters here.
It's chilly.
This is like one of them that we came on. Very smooth ride.
He's really good.
Yeah, no bump. Our pilot was super funny and professional.
So now we're gonna go over there for the lookout.
Yep.
And then come back for some champagne and snack.
Yeah, we're gonna head down and we'll head down to the lookout point here. Gets down here. There's a trail.
We all wear puffer suits today.
Whew. The sun is going down slowly.
They got a table out there too.
Yeah, this must be for other tours. I can imagine like how high the water used to be and then slowly it keep eating away at the rocks and now it's all the way down to here. This is what we flew on. This thing is great.
All right. Some champagne. I also have cold water because it's hot outside.
Thank you.
I know, I just
So
four of us. Thank you. That's good for me. Thank you.
You're not drinking, right?
They can't stand this anymore. I drink Jack. He has his. Don't worry, it's watered down.
Whoa!
I'm sorry. Is that information not in the video, the safety video? Because I don't recall that.
Do not bang head on windows.